I, what's your name? I, what's your name?
My name is Emily. What's your name? My name is Emily. What's your name? How are you? How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you? I'm fine, thank you. How about you? Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from New York. I'm from New York. How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 12 years old. And you? I'm 12 years old. And you? When is your birthday? When is your birthday?
My birthday is in June. What about you? My birthday is in June. What about you? Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one sister. Yes, I have one sister. What do you do every morning? What do you do every morning?
I brush my teeth and have breakfast. I brush my teeth and have breakfast. What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. Do you go to school? Do you go to school?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is red. My favorite color is red. Do you like animals? Do you like animals?
Yes, I love cats. Yes, I love cats. What is your favorite sport? What is your favorite sport?
I like football. I like football. What do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time?
I like to draw. I like to draw.
Do you play any musical instruments? Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar. Yes, I play the guitar.
Who is in your family? Who is in your family?
My mom, dad, and two brothers. My mom, dad, and two brothers. What does your father do? What does your father do?
He is a teacher. He is a teacher. What is your favorite subject? What is your favorite subject?
I like math. I like math. Do you like your school? Do you like your school?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food?
I like pizza. I like pizza. Do you like chocolate? Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I love it. Yes, I love it.
What is the weather like today? What is the weather like today?
It is sunny. It is sunny. Do you like the rain? Do you like the rain?
Yes, it is relaxing. Yes, it is relaxing.
Do you watch cartoons? Do you watch cartoons?
Yes, I like them. Yes, I like them. Who is your favorite superhero? Who is your favorite superhero?
Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
Have you been to the beach? Have you been to the beach?
Yes, I have. Yes, I have. Do you like dancing? Do you like dancing?
Yes, it's fun. Yes, it's fun. Do you like reading books? Do you like reading books?
Yes, I enjoy it. Yes, I enjoy it.